Okay, we're trying out these bits that I ordered. They are metric bits. They don't seem to be cutting too well. I have one here in the machine to show. Alright, I'm pushing on it. Just not cutting. Let's have a look at that and see what happened. Look at that. That's just standard steel, softened steel, regular steel, and the front of that bit just barreled over. It's not hard. They did not harden these bits when they made them and shipped them. I'm posting this video so that they can see what they have done in an error. Okay, this is Dan. Thanks for participating and watching the video. There's an entire set of them that's soft that way. All right, thank you.